Hello Miss Amigos and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing great. I hope you're having an amazing day. And today, it's that time of the year again. Only today. It's Christmas time. Wow. I don't know if I speak for all of us, but this year has just flown past. And I think I do speak for all of us. Or do people have the exact opposite feeling of this year? Because I kind of avoided all of these tweets and posts about this year. Anyway, it's almost December again. And it's time to decorate for Christmas because Christmas is still Christmas. We want a decoration because otherwise Christmas is not Christmas. Yeah. For me, Christmas time is all year round, even though I must say that this year I didn't listen to as much Christmas music as I usually do. But there have been two great new Christmas albums, namely by JoJo and Tori Kelly, out this year, which I'm really happy about. But what I'm even more excited about right now is getting our place ready for Christmas. I don't know if you've seen last year's video where I decorated our old apartment for Christmas. This year, I haven't bought any new decorations yet because I bought so much last year. However, our new place is obviously way bigger, so I don't know if I'll have enough decorations to make it look decorated. I don't want to spend more money on decorations because Christmas decorations are fucking expensive and I would want to change everything every year because I probably won't even like half of the decoration that we still have from last year. This year, let's hope I won't kill another chair.
Merry Chrysler.
But without further ado, let's decorate for Christmas. After this snack. Damn, we really meant business when we said fall decorations. Goodbye fall. Did someone say Christmas? Because it seems like Christmas exploded all over this kitchen island. We have a lot of tree, which will make up for the fact that we don't have an actual Christmas tree. Although, I did order 2 small Christmas trees, fake ones, that I want to put into this one. But if all else fails, we still have our very modern Christmas tree right here. Christmas card from Naomi. A Christmas card for my niece and nephew. A lot of candles, all of our ornaments. Guys, off camera, I just quickly decorated Naomi's room. Wow. Wow. Oh. Wow. Merry Chrysler. And I think the place we should make over first. Our beautiful TV station. Chills? Yeah? Okay. Alrighty-addio. We don't have a lot of decoration here, but we can add more. We can always add more. Orange? Goodbye. So. Okay, sorry. Now I'm really ready because I've got my coffee and JoJo's Christmas album in my ear. I don't have the coffee in my ear. We clearly need something here, because this is where we've got something already. Maybe we can do fairy lights on this hanging lamp. This lamp has to stay here. This doesn't look good together. Maybe this is the place for a Christmas tree actually, because I'm thinking where else would we put it? Huh, yeah, it has to go there. If the Christmas tree is here, then the lamp just doesn't work. Maybe we'll just hide the lamp. They just don't go together. Why am I stuck already? Oh my god, it's always so hard to get into it. Maybe once there's like more stuff here. We're just gonna keep it for now and then we can always change it. But I feel like I just gotta get started, you know? Na, das sieht doch scheiße aus mit der Lampe und dem Weihnachtsbaum. Aber wo soll denn der Weihnachtsbaum hin?
Das sieht nicht aus.
And the candle in front. This looks way too empty. So my goats need a bow up here, but that doesn't go with this red. We need a new candle. Or we just take a new ribbon. No, this is the perfect ribbon for this. Gotta love being indecisive. Just Libra things. Love that I can always blame that on my zodiac sign. Yeah, that's cute. I like that. Well, thank you so much, Naomi. That's perfect.
I make it.
Anyway, let's just get rid of Kiana the day.
Wait.
Christmas talk!
Oh, Taco, it's Christmas time. We still have this, the most wonderful time of the year. Christmas card.
Don't mock Christmas.
I mean, I like Christmas decorations and I still don't know how I feel about Christmas. It's just this. It's the most wonderful time of the year, that part of it.
Beginning to look a lot like Christmas.
Okay, and sing another one now.
Holy.
Very well. Is it because Tori Kelly is singing that in my ear right now?
I'm somebody.
Vi måste många decoration kaufen.
Just talk.
Nej, men vi måste många decoration kaufen. Naomi, vi måste många. Naomi, vi måste många.
Jeg skal tage på hotelrosen. Se nu, vi lige har Christmas on.
What do you mean? It says it's the most wonderful time of the year! You know what I don't like about this is the black here. I think white is our way to go. What even is this? I can use this for another sewing video. Didn't know we still had that. Alright. Okay, let's be honest. This is not it yet. I think it's still better already. So I know it's still pretty empty here, but I also don't know what to do here. You know where we're gonna put it? Cute. Maybe we just gotta use this ugliness that I don't really like. That used to be in our bathroom because we were like, we have it, so we might as well use it. I mean, I still think it's kind of ugly. Yeah, guys, I'm asking myself the same question. Don't worry. Look, I made this beautiful Christmas tree. Look at how horrible this looks. I'm gonna keep it. Maybe it's time for our beautiful side table now. This is our house. On an angle? This feels like a new table now. Yeah, I also don't know how I feel about it, guys. But like, until I find something better, which we don't have anything better, this'll have to do. I think that's all I can really do here. What we can do here, though, is change the cushion covers. Alright, guys, it's time for something exciting. I think we should hang something here from the ceiling. 100%, so let's do that. This is option number 1. Option number 2, right? I mean... Naomi... Okay, so... Do we want to be chic or do we want to be colorful? We have a ladder now! No more broken chair. Oh, my arms.
How the Christmas professionals do it. Just use tape.
Not like this. And a beautiful bow to cover up the Christmas day. Does it look fantastalocious? Is it gonna fall? I'm afraid it will fall down if I touch it. Ah! Ugly. Oh my god. Time for a dining table. Our beautiful Santa Claus. I never know what these... Oh my god, I hear the star. No, please don't fall. Maybe? No, it's gonna fall, it's gonna fall, it's gonna fucking fall. No, 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 no. Stop making the noise as if you're about to fall. Ow. Let's just keep ignoring it for now. My problem is I don't really have stuff to lay anymore. I only have things that you can hang. I kind of think it's cute. I'm gonna just keep it like that for now. And let's hang the star. No! That was the sound I did not want to hear. I think this star is a bit sad here. Let's see. I think this is a little bit more secure. So anyway, sorry for all of the mirror action going on. Obviously, we have windows here. So I'm thinking, because we have like this little ledge up here, to hang some ornaments off of it. Luckily, I still got some tape. I don't really want to be here anymore.
It's your home.
Okay, no need to be so aggressive. Wow, this is taking forever. And it doesn't really look that good. You know, I feel like it's cute, but not really great, because I think I do need some greenery up there. Also guys, let me know which colors you're gonna decorate your apartment or house in this year. Do you often change your colors and stuff? Because as I said, I could change it every year. Alrighty, so welcome to the entrance of our apartment. This is basically the first thing you see when you walk through our door, so we obviously wanted to also be a bit more Christmassy. We've got this cute angel. Naomi's Merry Christmas card. Maybe we'll put it here. This house. And we can also light up. Haha. No, maybe like this rather. And the Christmas tree right here. Maybe totally mixing it. That's cute. Wish we had something here. I guess we're just gonna forcibly. So this is done as well. Done for today. Naomi, come see what it looks like as of today. It's Christmas time. Joy to the world.
Are we sure this is cat safe?
Naomi bought some lights. Lichternetz. Cool! Are you ready to party?
Yeah.
Wow.
Christmas party.
It has arrived. Wow, pure beauty. They're supposed to go here. The only problem that I'm facing is that I don't really have any more decorations to put on the Christmas trees. We actually went shopping yesterday, or I wanted to get more Christmas decorations, but I couldn't find any reasonably priced and also beautiful decorations, so done. Well, and I guess with our limited resources, this is as much as we can do. Wow. See, we even have a tree topper. Alrighty, and that is about all I can do with what I've got and what I could find at the stores, which was not a lot. Anyway, let's just turn off all the big lights and turn on all the candles and fairy lights and just look at what we've got. Alright, so that concludes this year's Christmas decoration video. What I've learned this year is that I will save up for next year so that I can buy all new decorations. I'm not really feeling them anymore. It's what we've got. It's what we gotta deal with now. That is about everything I have to say because I talked enough already. I hope you had fun decorating with me and I hope you also enjoyed it. I definitely enjoyed spending time with you and I would love to do it again next week. Hope you have a great winter because we like winter in this household. Well, I do. Anyway, I'll stop talking now. Thank you guys so much for watching. Entonces, nos vemos la próxima vez y bye!